for you tonight. Johnny Stanton on the front of the bass. Doing a fine job on guitar. What do y'all think? My name's Wes Bayless and we're the Steelwood. We sure appreciate you